Anambra people, what are you people doing to secure your land from those politicians from Imo State that are trying to map out land from Anambra State to create an Anim State? Did Ihiala local government in Anambra State complain that they are being marginalized in that Anambra State? No. Anambra State has 177 communities only. Una wan map out land from that Anambra State to create an Anim State. Anambra State is the second most smallest state in Nigeria. Some Anambra people just keep quiet. They are not even agitating for the government of Anambra State to stand against any politician that wants to map out land from Anambra State to create an Anim State. Anam State will add more land mass to Igbo nation, more political strength to Igbo nation, more mineral resources, crude oil and gas deposits to Igbo nation, more population to Igbo nation. But instead, some of our people from Anambra, they just feel relaxed. Then they thought say they won't map out land from Anambra State to form another state. Instead of now to return and say Anambra State is too small. Say no land should be mapped out from Anambra State to create any new state in the southeast. With that, you people will help we Anyama people to actualize this Anyama State, because if una thought say make no part of Anambra State join any Anim State, una don shatter the dreams of those politicians for Imo State where they agitate for Anim State. Me no say Anambra people no want any Anim State. Say wetin they want na Anyama State. One of the problems where we dey face for this Igbo land na Igbo politicians. I don't know whether e get any force outside this Igbo land where they control them, where they tell them to go against Igbo agenda, where they tell them to go against the interests of Igbo people. How Anyama people dey agitate say they wan join Southeast with their big land mass? Una dey talk say una no want Anyama. Say wetin una want na to map out land from Imo State and Anambra State to form an Anim State. It's so shameful. Bayelsa State is very big. Instead of Ijaw people to divide Bayelsa State to become two states so that they go talk say they get two Ijaw states, Ijaw people are agitating for the indigenous Ijaw in Ondo State, Edo State and Delta States to come together and become Toru Ebe State. If they get that Toru Ebe State now, that will be a plus to Ijaw nation. Their resources, their land mass and their population will be a plus to Ijaw people. And with that, Ijaw people will be proud to say that they have two Ijaw states in Nigeria. If Ijaw people wants to have three Ijaw states, they will take the Ijaw speaking people in Rivers State. They will map out land from Bayelsa State to make the land of the third Ijaw states bigger. With that, Ijaw people will be proud to say that Ijaw have three states in Nigeria. But Igbo politicians now they reason that way. Instead of them to be saying that they want the indigenous Igbos in the south to join them in the southeast, that they agitate to cut part of Anambra, part of Imo State to form an Anim State. It's so shameful. For the entire Nigeria, now Igbo people go school pass. Now them no book pass. Why our Igbo politicians no one prove am say they go school? Going to school is not all about knowing physics, chemistry, biology. No be to come out with first class. Do you have sense? In life, work with people that have sense, not just with people that went to school. Ijaw wey be say they no dey get the best results for JAMB, they no dey get the best results for WAEC. See their agenda as e dey go smoothly. See as all of them dey channel the course to actualize Toru Ebe State. None of them dey talk say make dem divide Bayelsa State. Every year for JAMB and WAEC, na southeast dey get the best results. Why e be say our Southeast politicians dey agitate for a state wey no go benefit Igbo nation? They agitate for a state wey no go solve the problem of Igbo nation. If you get Anim state, e still the same thing to say that the Southeast remains 5 states. Create Anim state, Southeast still remain 5 states. You just map out one place, call am state. That is what people will tell you. If you create Anim state, Southeast no expand, e no increase, e no add population, e just dey one place. Wetin come be say you create states? All this in Naija people reason, they start to dey agitate for to reign the state. Our politicians for Southeast know all this is why they talk. Oh, everything that I'm saying here, they know it too, but they put their personal interest first. They put their own agenda first. Our problem is money. Money is not the problem of Igbo people in general. Money is the problem of Igbo politicians. As we hear say one politician from Anyoma land share 43 million naira each give Southeast lawmakers for them to vote against Anyoma state. Some Southeast lawmakers collect the money. They collect the money. And they will surely do what that politician from Anyoma land told them to do. They will surely vote against the creation of Anyoma state and the Southeast zoning. The problem for our politician is money. Money, money, ego, money, money, money. That be the problem of Southeast politicians. If to say Asaba for Asaba not dey under Okowa, he go come out the talk say no make Anyoma state join Southeast. You dey play politics with the future of we Okwane people. We Okwane people dey talk say we dey suffer. We dey talk say one join our brothers for Southeast. You Asaba for Asaba where be say Asaba is landlocked when it comes to resources. Asaba not get anything. Nothing Asaba dey offer we Anyoma people. Nothing they offer Nigeria. The only thing Asaba they do for Igbo nation be say Asaba they destroy Igbo nation with that their films where they act. Asaba films are one of the problems we are having in Igbo land. Films that are always against Igbo culture. Films that are only promoting kingship, royalty, instead of the true Igbo culture and tradition. That is the only thing that Asaba is doing for Igbo nation. Asaba for Asaba supposed to know say we are Nema people and our brothers for Southeast na one people. You supposed to know say the problem where we dey face for Igbo nation, now wetin they do for round table, we sit down, we talk. If na security be our problem, if we Anambra people join Southeast, we work with our brothers in the Southeast, form a better security, we fight insecurity, we get one front, make we dey speak with one voice. It doesn't my personal opinion. Because of that, he follow for people wey dey fight against the Southeast zoning of Anyoma states. Kings not supposed dey under politicians. Kings are supposed to be working together as kings. Make all the kings where they Igbo land unite. Make them they deliberate how Igbo land go take succeed, how good thing go take reach us. But as they dey under politicians, they don't lose their conscience finish. They not dey fit talk to politicians. Ijaw people they won't get extra state. Our own for Igbo land they won't divide the one way they get. If you get Anim state, Igbo nation is still the same thing as Igbo land is just 5 states. Anim state added nothing to Igbo nation. Anambra people, make una no agree. Because if una keep quiet, it should say una not do anything for Anyoma state to be actualized. Reach out to your people in all those in here at local governments. You people can make press statements. You people can protest that you don't want any part of Ihiala to be mapped out to create any Anim states. Because as it be now, the creation of an extra state for the Southeast, it don't become problem. You never see job people they talk say they want divide by extra states. Some they talk say we must divide by extra state. Some say no, make we get to Yoruba state. Some say no, make those also dey to Yoruba state. Let them stay with Delta people. Let them stay with Edo people. Let them stay with Ondo people. They are okay there. Make we divide by extra state. You will never hear such a thing from your people. Our people when they claim say they go school, they did that play they talk say make they divide the one where they already get Oyagame Oyagame. If you talk now, they're going to tell you say, Anambra people said they don't want to join the Southeast now. Anambra people will come out for rally and protest. Now play, they come play now. As it be say, nobody for Anambra will come out, come protest against that protest where we protest. Come they talk say they don't want to make Anambra state join Southeast. Is to tell you that 90% of Anambra people are in full support of Anambra state and the Southeast zoning. There is war against Igbo nation. And that war against Igbo nation is to keep Igbo divided. That war against Igbo nation is to make sure that Igbo are not united. Say Igwe is being destroyed in Igbo land. That is the war against Igbo nation. That's why you go to see minority tribes for this country called Nigeria go to talk say Anambra people are not Igbo people, the Kure people are not Igbo people. All those things to make sure that we Igbo people are scattered and not united. Now this unity that make Igbo they suffer for what they suffer today. We need unity to strengthen our political strength. How many bloggers from Anambra state they talk say what they want na Anambra state and not Anim state? Bloggers why be say that they follow their politicians up and down for nyash. As a blogger, stay clear from politicians. Those people go buy your conscience. If you dey follow governors, senators, House of Reps members, you don't sell your conscience. If they do bad, you no go fit speak against wetin they do. If you be blogger from Imo state, you be blogger from Anambra state, and you dey follow all those politicians where they talk say they want divide Anambra and Imo state to form Anim state, you no go fit counter them. You no go fit speak against that thing wey they do wey not good, because you be friends with them. Another problem where our bloggers for certain they get be say so many of them are carried away. They don't even know why they do social media. As a content creator from the Southeast, as a blogger from the Southeast, they tell our people about Igbo agenda. They make our people to know about Igbo bofu. They make our people to stay focused for anything where Igbo nation want to actualize. Make we use one mind to actualize that thing. Not be today online. You are not even creating content that will benefit Igbo nation. All your blogging now about irrelevant things. What Igbo bloggers supposed to be talking now? Anambra state, Anambra state, Anambra state. How to get Anambra state? Some of them they wait make we come meet them first. They tell them say make we start to talk about Anambra state. People will not get agenda. Igbo you should know themselves. Let them know what Igbo nation wants. Let's speak with one voice. Anambra people now they tell. You people should start speaking up. What we want is Anambra state, not Anim state. Anambra state is too small to be divided. All those in here local government, all those people now the food basket of Anambra state. In here local government now a plus to Anambra state. When I want just sit down, they look, made a map on a land take create Anim state. Anambra people make una not agree. The creation of Anambra state and the Southeast zoning is what Igbo nation stands for. Is what Igbo nation wants as we speak. Anambra state and its Southeast zoning is Igbo agenda. Some people are saying Anambra people can actualize Anambra state and be in the south now. After all, they are still Igbo people. Let some Igbo people be in the southeast. Let some Igbo people be in the south. So if anything is coming to the south, they will be benefiting from it in the south. If anything is coming to the southeast, we in the southeast will be benefiting from it in the southeast. Igbo nation needs to be in one place to strengthen their unity. Since where we Anambra people dey for this south, wetin we don't benefit. Have Anambra people produce the president of Nigeria before? No. Have Southeast produce the president of Nigeria before? No. So what are we benefiting even now that we are in separate regions? Wetin wan come south where we dey benefit? All we want is for us to be with our brothers in the southeast. We want day with our southeast brothers. We dey bring your argument. Let some people be in the south, let some people be in the southeast. Now that one we dey talk for here. Other tribes that are in one state, are they not doing fine? The most important thing is for us to unite first. Let's unite. Let's expand the landmass of Igbo nation. There is war against Igbo nation to divide Igbo nation. And person they talk say make some Igbo people dey for south. The more we are people in the south, the more Igbo nation is being divided. Igbo nation support the creation of Anambra state and the Southeast zoning. Anambra people support the creation of Anambra state and the Southeast zoning. You people should not allow any part of Anambra state to be mapped out to create any Anim state. This is not a fight against Anim state agitation. This is a fight for Igbo nation. This is what Igbo nation wants. This is Igbo agenda. And we not go allow any selfish interest to sabotage the creation of Anambra state and the Southeast zoning. A word is enough for the wise. Igbo bofu. Igbo agenda first. Ishiewale.